So I place the coins into a proprietary solution that I prepare, and over the course of a day or several days, depending on how quickly the process takes place, the coins go from being coated with rust and mineral deposits to being entirely free of those, using a sable hair brush here to lift the obscuring minerals and rust off of the surfaces of the coins. Just gently urging it. It's a physical deposit on the surface of the gold, not a chemical corrosion of the gold itself. This is mostly rust from the engines and boilers of the steamship. It actually has deposited on everything down there, on the coal, on the ceramics, and even on the gold coins. So it just gently wafts away. And I will do this process sometimes several iterations, turning the coins over to expose a new surface and a new the other side and its mineral deposits.